period of withdrawal is over. In the two legislative assembly constituencies that are here in West Karbi Anglong, we received 7 nomination papers in Rongkhang 111 ST-LAC, and in 112 ST-LAC Amri we received 4 nomination papers, out of which we found 5 valid candidates from Rongkhang and 4 valid candidates from Amri, because there were multiple submissions from one of the candidate. With respect to withdrawal, we had 1 withdrawal in Amri and 1 candidate withdrew in Rongkhang as well. So at this point of time, the total number of contesting candidates from Rongkhang are 4 and from Amri are 3. The name of the contesting candidates from Rongkhang and Amri. So first I'll go with Rongkhang, 111 Rongkhang ST-LAC. The list of final contesting candidates are Shri Augustine Inghi, Indian National Congress; Tuliram Rongkhang, BJP; Srimati Pratima Engifi, CPI MLL; Shri Wilson Terang, he is an independent candidate; and from 112 Amri ST-LAC, Habe Teron, he is a BJP candidate; Bikram Hanse, independent candidate; and Wilson Terang, independent candidate. So this is the list of contesting candidates. With respect to publication of the supplementary electoral roll, we saw an addition of 1,459 additional voters. With 111 Rongkhang ST-LAC, 725 additions were made, and in 112 Amri ST-LAC, 735 additions were made. At this point of time, total number of electors, the final total number of electors are 1,32,583 in Rongkhang, and in Amri 1,08,31 is the final list of electors in the Amri constituency. The distribution of male and female, so in 111 Rongkhang ST-LAC, the number of male electors are 66,686 and number of female electors are 65,896, and we have 1 transgender elector as well in Rongkhang. And in Amri ST-LAC, we have 50,291 male electors and 50,540 female electors, and we do not have any transgender elector in Amri. The total number of polling stations in this district are 358. In Rongkhang 111 ST-LAC, 193 polling stations are there, and in 112 Amri ST-LAC, 165 polling stations are there. We have 15 women polling stations, which will be manned by women fully. In 111 Rongkhang ST-LAC, the number is 7 number of polling stations, and the remaining 8 are in Amri ST-LAC. We have 1 model polling station each in the 2 LACs. 1 is in Rongkhang, 1 is in Amri. The name of the model polling station is Tumpreng Higher Secondary School in Rongkhang LAC. And in Amri, Hamran English LP School is the model polling station. 111 Rongkhang ST-LAC, 289 electors are service voters. As you must be aware, the service voters are those who are serving in armed forces, army, air force, paramilitary. And in 112 Amri ST-LAC, we do not have any service voter. We have 0 service voters. With respect to zones and sectors, 5 each, we have 5 each zonal officers across the 2 constituencies, and we have 22 sectors in Rongkhang and 33 sectors in Amri. So this is the information. As already I have shared the timeline of elections. The date of poll will be 9th of April and the date of counting will be 4th of May. All the other timelines have already been met. They have all the details I've already shared with you.